Hi guys, I'm Kirti. Welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing good. So the wedding seasons are back, and due to this pandemic most of us are not able to go out for shopping, and I would definitely not suggest anyone to go out until it's really necessary, and if y'all have to then please take the precautionary measures. So in today's video, I'll be showing y'all how I would style as a wedding guest by reusing the clothes which I have in my wardrobe and give it a new look. You can also follow me on Instagram for more pictures and updates regarding my videos, and you can also try to recreate such outfits by using your old outfits and give it a new look, and you can tag me on Instagram also. And if you like this video, please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. So now let's get started.
So the first outfit is this beautiful pink brocade lehenga, which I have styled it with this antique temple jewelry. Actually, this outfit was designed by my mom for my Sangeet function 2 years back, and I have worn this lehenga just once. So I thought of reusing this and give it a new look. So this is how I had styled for my Sangeet with a pink plain blouse. So me and my mom had got this brocade material from a local market here and styled it with this pink dupatta which has some sequence work all over the dupatta, and this dupatta went really well with the entire outfit and it looked really beautiful. I usually keep my makeup very simple for all my looks, and here I have just done this simple hairstyle by just taking few strands of hair and just twisting it and pinning it at the back. So next one is this amazing sari which I have borrowed from my mom. So saris can never be out of style for any function. When I just can't decide what to wear, I just blindly pick a sari. So last year I had worn the same sari for Ganesh Chaturthi with a Maharashtrian nut and gold jewelry. So this is a silk sari with a silver zari border and small silver buttas all over the sari. The best thing I love about this sari is its color. It's unique with this grayish blue color with a brownish pallu. And for me, silk saris are always comfortable to wear, and I just love silk saris. So here I have styled silver jewelry with this sari with a messy bun. So I didn't do anything much with my hair, so I just kept a messy bun for this entire look. So whenever you're confused what to wear for a function or a wedding party, so just pick a sari and it will look perfect. So here I'm wearing this simple kurta with thread work all over and paired it with a white palazzo and wore this heavy pulkari dupatta which I had got from Amritsar. So when you need to attend a wedding or a party or any function, and if you don't want to dress up much, then this can be the look. So everyone might have such dupatta in their wardrobe, and you can style it with a simple kurta and wear some heavy jewelry, and it would look really beautiful. So here I have mixed and matched everything and created this outfit. So here I wore these beautiful pearl earrings which I have got from Zaveri Pearls Mintra, and tied my hair into a ponytail. I didn't wanted to do anything much with my hair, so I just tied a ponytail and it looked really good. You can even try carrying a sling bag which goes well with your outfit, and it would complete the entire look. And such outfits are really comfortable, and I really love wearing such outfits for any function. So the last wedding guest outfit I'll be showing you all in this video is this red outfit which I had stitched almost 2 years back for Raksha Bandhan. So here I have styled this dupatta, yellow silk dupatta, and I think most of us will definitely have one such dupatta in their wardrobe. And if not, I would highly recommend everyone to have one such dupatta, as such dupattas goes really well with most of the outfits. Here I have styled the dupattas in different ways, and this dupatta makes the entire outfit look more beautiful and more ethnic. So do try styling your outfits and give it a new look. And you can also follow me on Instagram for more pictures and updates regarding my videos. And if you like this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel.